What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the new NIA sleek splitters on this brand new Lexus RCF. Stay tuned. So first, let me tell you a little bit about the new NIA sleek splitters. One, all our kits are made right here in the US in our Miami, Florida factory. Two, we make them out of quality ABS plastic, making them strong and durable for a long-lasting kit. Unlike urethane, ABS can hold its own weight and won't warp with time. Three, we offer them with fins, which are folded up on the ends, or no fins, which are completely flat across. Four, you have the option of choosing between a smooth splitter or a texture splitter. The smooth splitter has a satin finish to it, while the texture splitter has a wrinkled surface to it. Five, all our kits are designed specifically for each model. We don't copy paste the same design for all models. Six, we design all our kits to use the factory bolts if possible. We also pre-drill all the holes for you and include all the hardware for a quick and easy installation. With the purchase of the NIA splitter, you're going to receive all your support screws. For this installation, you're going to need a 10mm socket, a stubby Phillips screwdriver, and we recommend an angle driver for a quicker installation. So first things first, we want to wipe down the bottom of the car, make sure you get any rocks or any road debris stuck underneath. When doing the installation, always think safety first. If your car is lowered and you're going to jack up your car, always use jack stands for safety. In this case, we're going to be using the angle driver, and we're just going to creep up underneath the car. So first things first, we want to remove the factory splash guard that's underneath. This is when they get the clip remover, and you're going to remove the clips underneath. Now that the clips are removed, this is when you get the 10mm socket, and we're going to remove the bolt in between the wheel and the wheel well. Once the splash guard is removed, this is when we're going to put the factory bolts back in there to hold the liner in place. Now, using the same clip that you removed from the bottom, you're going to present it through the pre-drilled hole, and this time you're going to hold up the NIA splitter with it. Now that the factory bolt is holding up the back of the splitter, this is when you get a friend or family member to help you align it the way you want it, and then using the provided screws that we gave you, then we're going to self-tap into the side skirts through the pre-drilled holes. Now, when you're self-tapping the support screws onto the side skirt, make sure you only do it halfway with the drill and then finish it off by hand. That way you prevent over-tightening and stripping the plastic side skirt. Now that all the screws are in halfway, this is when you get the stubby screwdriver, and you're going to hand tighten them. By hand tightening, you prevent from over tightening and stripping the plastic. Once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side, and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the new Lexus RCF. If you have any questions, comment below. We always get back to you guys. Thank you again.